In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Draw.io on GitHub effectively. So whether you're managing a project, designing software architecture, or simply wanting to create diagrams that collaborate seamlessly with your GitHub repositories, you've come to the right place. First, let's make sure we have a GitHub repository ready to go. This is one of the most important steps because it serves as a central hub for all the diagrams you'll be working with. If you don't have a repository yet, you can easily create one by heading over to GitHub, logging into your account, and selecting the New button for a fresh start, or you can just use an existing one if that's what you prefer. Once you've got your repository sorted, our next step is to dive into Draw.io, also known as diagrams.net, a powerful and flexible tool perfect for creating a variety of diagrams. Simply open your web browser and navigate to the Draw.io website. You'll find a clean interface where you can either start a new diagram or, in our case, open an existing one. Here's where we start linking things to GitHub. On the Draw.io homepage, you want to click on the Open Existing Diagram option. This is crucial as it allows you to work directly with your GitHub files. Once you've selected this, you'll see various storage options. It's important to choose GitHub here because that's where our diagrams will reside and sync. To proceed, you'll need to authorize Draw.io to access your GitHub account. This is a standard procedure and ensures that your files are securely connected to your diagrams. When prompted, allow the necessary permissions. This might feel a bit technical, but it's essential for keeping your work smooth and connected. After that's taken care of, it's time to select your specific repository. You'll see a list of all the repositories you have access to. Choose the one where your diagram will be stored or edited. Next, it's about choosing the file. You can select from a variety of formats, such as .drawio, .xml, or a .png file that has embedded XML data. This flexibility allows you to work in whichever format suits your typical workflow. Now you're all set to edit your diagram. Utilize the robust tools in Draw.io to make changes or create something entirely new. The interface is quite intuitive. If you're new to it, take a moment to explore features like shape addition, line drawing, and text editing to enhance your diagram design. Once you're satisfied with your work, it's time to save everything back to GitHub. Simply hit save and your changes will automatically sync back to your repository. This seamless integration not only keeps your diagrams up to date, but also ensures that your entire team has access to the latest version, facilitating smoother collaboration. And there you have it. Using Draw.io on GitHub is a straightforward process that significantly enhances your project management capabilities. Hopefully you find this guide helpful for streamlining your workflow on your future projects. Thanks for watching and happy diagramming.